Model, 60-plate Ford Transit 260 short wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive low-roof van TDCi 85ps body, white, panel van mileage, 152359 MOT, the 23rd of March 2024 engine, 2198 cc TDCi 85ps DURATORQ-C transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Clutch needs replacing, gearbox looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, £2,995. Click the